I've just discovered an amazing new video generation model that can create videos up to 60 seconds long per generation. That's huge! Here are some of the results. Some of the results. The best part? It's fully packed. Text to video, image to video, video to video, talking photos, just like the one you're watching, lip sync, and so much more. This tool is absolutely loaded, so let's dive right in. The tool I'm talking about is MagicHour AI. Just search for it, click the link, and you'll land on this interface. Now, there are plenty of things you can do here. When you scroll down, you'll find options such as face swap video, image to video, talking photos, lip sync, text to video, and more. With MagicHour AI, you can create engaging AI videos like a pro. And the coolest part is, you can get started for free, perfect for creators, marketers, producers, and even influencers. So, let's sign up. In my case, I'll log in with my Google account as usual. Once you log in as a first-time user, you get 500 credits, plus an extra 100 credits every day just for logging in. From here, you can access all the tools: image generator, subtitle generator, voice generator, AI image upscaler, talking photos, lip sync, and plenty more. Here are some of the templates you can use for your social media content. Super cool, and these are just a few out of the thousands of templates available. Here's the kicker. Unlike other platforms that stop at 5 to 10 seconds of video generation, this site lets you go longer, 15 seconds, 20 seconds, and all the way up to 60 seconds, with both image to video and text to video. I'll show you all of that shortly. Let's start with the image generator. Here, you simply type in your prompt. For this example, I'll paste in a sample prompt. Then choose a style. There are plenty to pick from: general, album cover, animated, anime, and more. For this demo, let's go with general. Next, set your aspect ratio to whatever suits your project: landscape, portrait, or square. I'll choose portrait for this one. Now, select the number of images you want. I'll go with 2, and then just hit generate. And in just a short moment, it's done. Look at this, crystal clear, and it even nailed the text perfectly. You can download it right away. I also tried it in landscape, and the result is just as stunning. With this, you can create beautiful images in different styles for your social media content. Let me know what you think of this tool as well. Before I show you the talking photos feature, which honestly is my personal favorite, let's first explore the 60-second text to video feature. Here, I'll type in my prompt, and remember, you can always ask ChatGPT to help you craft one. Here is the prompt. Next, I select the YouTube landscape aspect ratio. Then I choose the duration I want. The options go all the way up to 60 seconds. After that, I hit render using my available credits. It takes a little while to process. Let's take a look. Now, it didn't follow the prompt exactly, but I have to say, the animation still looks impressively smooth for the length. I believe it could look even better with a stronger, more refined prompt. And here are some other videos I generated from text. So cool! Finally, let me show you the incredibly smooth talking photos feature this tool offers. And I have to say, this one is actually my favorite. So here is the talking photo. Go ahead and click on it. It will bring you right here. Now here, you can either click or drag to upload a file. I'll just click here to upload my photo. Let me use this my Spider-Woman photo. Next, you click on the Next Step button, and it's going to take you here. Inside this text box, you can type in your script, exactly what you want your photo to say. You'll also see a list of different voices you can choose from, including some celebrity-style voices, which is pretty cool. But for this demo, I already have my own voiceover that I want to use. So I'll click on this icon and select my voiceover file. Just note that this tool only accepts MP3, WAV, and other formats. If your audio is in MP4, don't worry, you can quickly convert it using any free online MP3 converter. Now I'll go ahead and upload my audio. Let's give it a play. Hey, my amazing viewers, it's your girl, Nuli. What do you think about this tool and my talking? Sounds good. Here's another cool feature. This tool lets you extend your audio up to 60 seconds long, which is super helpful. Now, just click on the drop-down icon in the advanced settings, then head over to End Seconds. You can either type in the exact number of seconds you want, or simply drag to adjust it all the way to the end, or wherever you'd like it to stop. For this example, I'll stretch my audio all the way to the end. Just keep in mind, the longer the audio, the more credits it uses, but honestly, with the kind of results you get, it's totally worth it. And finally, I'll go ahead and hit Render Video. Then just sit back and wait for it to generate. Our video is done generating. To download, simply click on this Download button, and it will save directly to your phone or computer. Now let's preview it together. Hey, my amazing viewers, it's your girl, Nuli. What do you think about this tool and my talking photo? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks so much for the love and support. Wow, this is amazing. I really love how smooth the animation is. The lip sync is spot on, the hand gestures feel so natural, and the emotion is right there. And the most impressive part? It's all created from just a single photo without any manual animation. This tool absolutely nailed it. Let me know what you think about this tool and its features. And don't forget, you can also lip sync your own animated videos with this feature. It's truly packed with so many powerful options. So guys, that was MagicHour AI, a platform where you'll find all the AI features you need in one place. Whether you want to convert an image into a video, text into a video, create AI dance clips, talking photos, lip syncs, or anything else, this tool has it all, including the longest AI video generator features. Basically, it's an all-in-one AI tool, and I highly recommend you try it out for free. The link is in the video description. And yes, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel. Until then, take care of yourself. Thanks for your love, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.